Today we are making chicken drumsticks. Before this video starts, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start this very tasty recipe. You'll need chicken 1 kg, ginger 2 tablespoons, 1 tomato, garlic 6 or 7 cloves, green chillies and 1 chopped onion. Add these ingredients into a blender. After blending, keep aside. Add red chilli 1 teaspoon to a bowl. Salt 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Food color ½ teaspoon. Now add yogurt 4 tablespoons. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Two tablespoons of oil. One tablespoon vinegar. Mix these ingredients together well. Now spread this all over the 1 kg of chicken. And now add the blended paste. Mix this together well. And now marinate the chicken for 3 hours. We have cut some potatoes to eat alongside the chicken. It tastes very delicious with the chicken. The potatoes will be roasted with the chicken. Mix the potatoes inside the chicken. Preheat the oven and lay the potatoes and chicken inside for roasting for 1 hour. The chicken is cooking. The chicken is almost done. Alhamdulillah, this delicious chicken recipe is now done. Garnish in any way you want. Eat it with rice or raita. If you have not subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. You can find the ingredients for this recipe in the description box. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.